Our topic is factors. So factors means suppose 12. 12 is divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. And 12 is also divided by 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 is also divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. 12 is also divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. So on. Like this, 12 is divided by 2, 3, 4 and 6 and also 12 and 1 itself. This number is divided by exactly by these numbers. Then we say that these 2, 3, 4, 6 are factors of 12. Okay. So this 12 is also divided by 12 itself. 12 ones are 12. Okay. So we conclude that. So we say that 1 and itself is also factors of 12. Therefore 12 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 as factors. These are called factors of 12. Okay. So that means a number which divides exactly another number, the number is factor of the given number. Okay, suppose 18, which has 18 is divided by 1. 1 18s are 18. 2 is also divides exactly the 18. 2 9s are 18. 3 6 are 18. 4 is not a factor. 4 not divides the 18. 5 is also not divides the 18. 6 3s are 18. So 6 is the factor of 18. 7 8 are not factors. 9 divides the 18 exactly, so 9 is the factor. 10 11 12 these are not factors. 13 14 15 these are not factors, so 18 divides 18 itself. These are the factors of 18. So like this we can write factors of so many numbers. Suppose 6. 1 is the factor of 6. 6 1s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So 3 is also factor. And 4 6. So these are the factors of 6. These all are divides the 6 exactly. 7 divided by 1 and 7 itself. It is divided by only 1 and itself. Next to 9 divided by 1, 3 and 9 itself. So these are the factors. By observing these all, we can conclude that 1 is the factor of all numbers and a number is factor of itself. 9 is the factor of 9. 7 is the factor of 7. 6 is the factor of 6. 18 is the factor of 18. 12 is the factor of 12. Like this, a number is factor of itself and every factor is less than, these all are less than 18 and 18 is equal to 18. Here also these all are less than 6 and 6 is equal to 6. That means all the factors are less than or equal to the number. Next, every number should has some countable factors. It has 3, it has 2, it has 4, it has 6, it has how many? 3 plus 3, 6 factors. Like this, every number have countable number of factors. Okay, these are the conditions of factors. Let us see one problem. Find factors of 80. Find factors of 80. So here we are going to find factors of 80. Every number is divided by 1 or 1 is the factor of all the numbers. 80 is divided by 2. So here 80 you can write as 2 into 40. 2 into 40. So 80 equal to, we cannot write 3 into something. So but we can write 4 into 20. 8 you can write 5 into 16. 6 you cannot write 6 into something. So 8 you can write 8 into 10. That's all. Okay. Therefore 80 has 1, 2, here 4, 5, 4, 5, 8, 10, 16, 20 and 40. These are the factors of 80. Next question is, do all the factors of given number divides the number exactly? Find the factors of 28 and verify by division. Okay, what is asking? Do all the factors divides the number exactly? Find the factors of 28 and verify it. So taking 28. So first of all, find the factors of 28. So 1 is factor of every number. So 1 is the factor. Next to 28 you can write as 2 into 14 is 28. 28 you cannot write 3 into something. 28 you can write 4 into 7. 4 7s are 28. 28 you cannot write 5 into something. So 6 is also not possible. 7 4s are 28. That's all. So we can write only 1, 2, 4, 4, 7, 14 and 28 itself. These are the factors of 28. Let us verify these all the factors are divides 28 exactly or not. So first of all, 28 ones are 28 ones are or 1 2s are 2, 8 1 8s are 8, 0 remainder. 28 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, take 18 down, 2 4s are 8. So 28 divided by 7, 7 4s are 28. 3 4 5 6. So like this you can verify either the number is, yes, every factor of a number divides the number exactly. So our definition is also given same statement. In previous we written factors of some numbers. In that we have some numbers. Suppose 7. 7 has factors as 1 and 7 itself only. Suppose 13. 13 has only 1 and 13 itself. 3 has only 1 and itself. Such these numbers, the numbers which has only two factors, they are 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. Okay, a number has only two factors, they are 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. Okay, next one is, these are the examples for prime numbers. Next one is composite numbers. So composite numbers. What are the composite number? Prime numbers are which has only two factors. Composite numbers means which has more than two factors. What we written before. So which has more than two factors are called composite numbers. A number which has more than two factors are called composite numbers. Okay, example 6. 6 has 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself has factors. 9 has 1, 3 and 9 itself. Whatever. Some 10 has 1, 2, 5 and 10 itself. These are the composite numbers. A number which has more than two, 1 and itself and more two factors, which has 1 and 9 itself and 3. 10 has 1 and 10 and more two factors it has. So these are called composite numbers. What are the prime numbers? which has two factors, which has two factors, 1 and itself. What are the composite numbers which has more than two factors? But 1, we have the number 1. How many factors the number 1 has? So which has only one factor, 1 itself is also 1. So this number is called neither composite, neither prime nor composite. Okay, so this is about 1. So to identify the prime numbers, we have some method. So that method is given by the great Greek mathematician Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes is the Greek mathematician, 3rd century BC. He given a method. To identify prime numbers. So let us see the method. Okay, now we are going to find prime numbers from 1 to 100. So to find the prime numbers, first of all you have to cross or round off the numbers which are divided by 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. Then which are remain after crossing or rounding the numbers, they are the prime numbers. Okay, so first of all, so 1 is neither prime nor composite, you have to cross out. Cross all the multiples of 2. So which are divided by all the numbers, cross all the numbers which are divided by 2. That means cross all the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38 and 40. 42, 44, 46, 48 and 50. 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70. Next, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Cross all the multiples of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 15, 15 plus 3 18, 21, 24, 27, 9 3s are 27. Okay, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30, 3 11s are 33. Next to plus 3 36, plus 3 39, plus 3 42, plus 3 45, plus 3 48, plus 3 51, plus 3 54, plus 3 57, plus 3 60, plus 3 63, plus 3 66, plus 3 69, plus 3 71, 72, plus 3 75, plus 3 78, plus 3 81, plus 3 84, plus 3 87, plus 3 90, plus 3 93, plus 3 96, plus 3 99 with 5. Okay, here don't cross 3, don't take 3 ones are 2 ones are, here also 2 ones are, don't take 2 ones are. Okay, sorry, don't take 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 5 ones are 7 ones are 7, so ones are, so you have to start from 2, 7 twos are 2 twos are 4. Okay, so just remember this. So 5, don't take 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 3s are 15. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, so next with 7. Okay, you have to do with only 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 only. So 7, don't take 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 14 is already crossed out, 7 threes are 21, already over, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70, 7 into 11 77, 7 into 12 12 sevens are 84, 7 into 13 13 sevens are 91, 7 into 14 14 sevens are 98. Okay, over. Next do with 11. So 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 six are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99. So already crossed out. Next 13. Don't take 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13 fives are 65, 13 six are 78, 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are, so it is more than 100, like this. Okay, it is enough. We crossed out all the composite numbers. So what numbers which are not crossed out, they are the prime numbers. So they are, which are not crossed out, 2 3 5 7 2 3 5 7. Second line 11 13 17 19, 11 13 17 19. Next 23 and 29, 23 29. Next line 31 37, 31 37. Next line 41 43 47, 41 43 47. 61 67, 61 67. Next line 71 73 79, 71 73 79. Next 83 89, 83 89. Next we have only 97, here 97. Okay, these all are the prime numbers from 1 to 100. So how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23. So there are 23 prime numbers between 1 and 100. Okay, so this is the method given by Eratosthenes to find prime numbers. Okay, next one is co-primes or relative primes. Two numbers which has only one as common factor, then they are co-primes or relative primes. Suppose 3 and 5, suppose 3 and 7. So 3 has 1 and 3 itself as factors. 7 has 7, it has 1 and 7 itself. What is the common factor? 1 is the common factor. So common factor is 1. Therefore we can say that 3 comma 7 are co-primes. Co-primes are relative primes. Relative primes. Let us take one more example. Suppose 5 and 16. 5 has factors as 5 and 1 itself. 16 has 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So what is the common factor? It has only one common factor, that is 1. So the common factor is only 1. Therefore 5 comma 16 are co-primes or relative primes. Relative primes. Okay, we can take one more example. 8 and 15. 8 has 1, 2, 4 and 8 itself as factors, and 15 has 1, 3, 5 and 15 itself. What are the common factors? This both has only 1 as common factors. Okay, the common factor is only 1. Therefore we can say that 8 and 15 are co-primes, are relative prime numbers. So by observing these two, the co-primes or relative primes are may or may not be, both are prime numbers. In this first case, both are prime numbers. In second case, one is prime, one is composite number. In third one, both are composite numbers, but they are co-primes. Okay, co-primes means two numbers which has common factor as 1 are called co-primes. So they are may or may not be prime numbers. Here these two are prime numbers. Here only one is prime number. In this third case, both are composite numbers. Okay, twin primes. Two prime numbers, both should be prime numbers. The difference of two prime numbers is 2, then we say that they are the twin primes. Suppose 3 comma 5. The difference of 3 and 5 is 5 minus 3, 2. Next 5 and 7. 5 and 7. The difference of 5 and 7 is 7 minus 5, 2. Next 11, 13. Next 41, 43. The difference of 41 and 43 is 2. These are the twin primes. Like this, you can write some more twin primes. Let us take some problems. So one question is, what is the least prime number? What is the least prime number? What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime number. In this, what is the least prime number? 2 is the least prime number. This is the least prime. What is the least? Next question is, what is the least composite number? The least composite number is least composite number equal to 4. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 is prime number, 3 is also prime. So 4 is the first composite number. Okay. Next question is, so what is the least odd composite number? Least odd composite number. Composite numbers are 4, 5 is prime number, 6, 7 is prime number, 8, 9, 10, 11 is prime number, 12, like this you can write. So in this is the even number, it is also even number, it is also even number. Only 9 is the odd number.